guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fireworks video edit on CapCut PC. It is actually pretty simple. You're just going to get a video of a night city, and then you're going to add in videos of a fireworks on top. Then you're just going to, sorry, I misplaced that. Then you're just going to place it kind of up here. It is a little bit better if the size is kind of the same. Okay, this one isn't as well. Maybe this one will work the best. Then you're just going to select mask, and you're going to select the horizontal one. And okay, you don't need to rotate that. Let me just go up here and place it at the top a little bit. There we go. And then you're just going to basically feather that out a little bit. It is a little bit better if you can kind of crop this out. You can, but you'll need the CapCut Pro to do that. So make sure to do that, or you can move it upwards a little bit like that. And you can kind of blend it if you have more space up here, but as you can see, this one doesn't. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!